Let's talk about some useful operators in programming called comparison operators. So some comparisons that we have at our disposal are equal to. I'm going to write this as a double equal sign because that's how most programming languages write it. And then we have a not equal to. Again, I'm going to use syntax similar to what most programming languages use, which is exclamation then equal. We have less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So all of these operators take two numbers on either side, and then they will result in a Boolean value. So if I say 10 equal to 10, this will result in true. If I say 9 equal to 10, this will result in false. And similarly, 10 greater than 9 will result in true, but 9 greater than 10 will result in false. And I could go through many other permutations of these combinations with different numbers, but I think you get the picture. Let's see how it looks in Blockly. Alright, this video is relying on a number of topics that you have learned in previous videos. So one of them is variables. So we're going to bring back the declare your age as a certain number, and then make sure you put your own age in here. And then we have a bunch of comparisons. So remember, all of these are going to boil down to Booleans. So if your age is less than 20, this Boolean will be true. If your age is greater than or equal to 20, and your age is less than 30, that means you're in your 20s. So let's use these with some if statements to print out certain things depending on your age. So I know this looks like a big chunk of blocks right here, but bear with me, it's not too complicated. So all this says is if your age is less than 20, you're either a teenager or a kid. Else, if your age is greater than or equal to 20, and your age is less than 30, so remember this all just boils down to a Boolean value, then it will print out you're in your 20s. Similarly for 30s, and then finally if you are greater than or equal to 40, it will print out you're only as old as you feel. And you could alternatively take out this Boolean statement and just turn that into an else, and it would catch all other things. So let's run this code and see what happens. Alright, I've copied my code into here and I've uploaded it, and it is running. Let's see what it's printing out. And there it is. It says I'm in my 20s. That is absolutely correct. Cool. So we use comparisons to print out a statement depending on what a value of a variable was.